Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present speech at this meeting. First of all, let us give thanks to God because for His grace we can gather here in good health. So I will introduce myself. My name is Diajo Supriyan and my NPM is 301030003. Today I'm going to talk about speech. So I will deliver it in 3 parts. What is speech, kinds of speech, and how to make a good speech. So let's get into it. What is speech? Speech is a form of communication where a person conveys their thoughts, ideas, or feelings to the audience. Types of speech. I will talk about 4 types of speech. First, informative speech. This kind of speech will occur when you need to educate your listeners about a particular topic, often using facts and data. Normally, teachers and scientists need to give informative speech. In an informative speech, one can give information about a product, person, or a concept. For example, 5 tips to invest money. Let's head to the second kind of speech, which is entertaining speech. Entertaining speech is designed to entertain, usually with humor or storytelling. The principal focus is on entertaining the guests and making them have a really good time. To give you some examples, speeches given as part of a wedding toast and all the Oscar awards, they all fall under this category. Let's move on to the third kind, persuasive speech. In persuasive speech, we make people believe what we believe. Do you remember the last time you watched a television ad, got convinced to buy a product? Well, almost every ad you see is a simple persuasive speech to convince people to buy a product. Persuasive speeches are used by politicians, pastors, and others. Let me introduce you the 4th demonstrative speech. Demonstrative speech educates the audience through demonstration or visual aids, which is how solving a problem or teaching something to the audience. Any videos that tells you how to get something done, from making a simple cake to start a blog or making a new application, they all fall under this category. So, how to make a good speech? 1. Know your audience. Understand who your audience and what they want to hear. 2. Prepare your content. Organize your talk and ideas into a clear and concise message. 3. Practice your delivery. Rehearse your speech to ensure you deliver it confidently and smoothly. 4. Is visual aids. Use slides, videos, or any visual aids to support your message and keep the audience engaged. 5. Engage with your audience. Make eye contact, use body language, and encourage your audience participation to build a connection with your audience. Okay guys, that's all about speech, and for your attention,